cannot get this to screw in at all. All four are bad. Have you ever bought something off of Amazon, and then particularly a piece of furniture, and it didn't go together correctly, or maybe it was missing some parts? And that's exactly what happened with this desk I bought. Of course, you can always just return it and get another one, but I decided to go ahead and reach out to the manufacturer. They sent me a link to Amazon to buy a tap and die kit. They said they would pay for it. So I went ahead and ordered it, got it. All right, so the screw is like a M6. I think it's like 135 millimeter. And you use this. Let's see, I think this goes in like this. And in here, they're labeled. Of course, I can't read it because my eyes don't work. There we go. Use the camera's macro lens. 113X. It's not this one. This one's definitely bigger. It's probably this. You can definitely tell this is cheap. It's definitely hard. Something weird is happening. It's like it's skipping or something. It's just spinning on the thing. It's like, what in the world is happening? Oh, I see. Okay, let's try that. It's better. This thing is very, very cheap. I don't know if I would recommend this tool. Oh, it seems like it's going through now. There it goes. All right, it's all the way through. It's definitely nice and easy coming. The tool seems fine, I guess. See if this works. Yeah, works great. I'm gonna attempt to do the tool on the next one. You need a lot of leverage. I think I need like a bar or something. I got a pair of channel locks and I got a pair of pliers. I think I might try the channel locks. It makes it a lot easier when you've got the leverage. Once you break through, it's actually pretty easy. Seems like it's holding up okay. I'll do this one. I think probably the most important thing is just to try to keep it upright so that your threads are going straight up and down. This thing definitely takes some skill to do this. Trying to keep it straight and oh man. Okay, let's just check our thread here. And that's smooth. Yeah, totally smooth. Didn't check this last one, I'll just check it. Smooth. All right. I think it's fixed. So you can see there's plenty of little metal shavings left behind, but the threads are definitely fresh. So I think At this point, we can proceed to put the desk together. I think in the future, if you run into this problem, if you reach out to the manufacturer, they'll help you out, and they would much rather fix the problem than deal with a return. So, and plus I have a new tap and die kit that I get to keep, although it was a really cheap one, not a very good one. Hope this video was helpful, and we'll catch you next time.